a recent qualifier, good-looking qualifier over Flambros half-miler. Also at 3-1, number 7, Lost in Translation. He was the pick 3 favorite. He now is the favorite as he's taken some late money. He looks for back-to-back wins. We just heard from trainer Danny Gerard. Post time for the 4th race. Fourth race picks up speed. Here they come. They're off and pacing. Big speed on the outside from IDK, and it's IDK charging at the lead tonight. Down the center with him is Gunpowder, going to be forwardly placed. Gentleman's Friend is away third. Off stride at the rail, Professors to Papers on the run. Professors to Papers made a miscue. So dropped in fourth went Royal Will. Charlie LaRue took back to fifth. Sixth off the speed, Hurton Albertan got a good position from an outside starting spot. Towards the inside from in seventh as they zip by the quarter in 25 and 4. That is Bolero Trisco. Life of the Old Boy racing along second from last towards the inside as they continue into the backstretch there. Lost in Translation. Trailer after the miscue. Professors to Papers. Quarter speed again was 25 and 4, and Gunpowder feels the need for second quarter speed and he rushes up to take command. Here on the outside to apply immediate pressure, Gentleman Friend half in 53 and 4/5 seconds. Onto the far turn they go. Gunpowder leads the way, but pressure on the outside applied by Gentleman Friend. Right there from third in that pocket spot is IDK. The inside trip from fourth belongs to Royal Will. He's already being asked for speed to keep up though. Outside from in fifth, now gearing up comes Hurton Albertan. He's got pace to chase and fresh legs to do it with. 3/4 coming up next. Top two fully extended by that third marker in 1:22 and 2. Short lead Gunpowder. Second outside Gentleman Friend. Hurton Albertan is about to put a big hurting on the pair of them on the outside. Here comes Hurton Albertan right on by. Up off his cover comes Life of the Old Boy, and from way back Lost in Translation. Hurton Albertan Waples clear by 3. Lost in Translation on the outside, closing late on the outside, but he's too far back. Not going to catch Hurton Albertan here. Hurton Albertan and Waples to win the 4th race by a pair of lengths. A good closing second was Lost in Translation. Life of the Old Boy third, 1:51 1/5.